Engine coolant replacement. Open the engine bonnet and secure it safely in the open position. Install the fender covers. Engine coolant level check. Make sure that the engine is cool at the time of level check. In engine hot condition, the level at the reservoir rises. Locate the engine coolant reservoir. It is connected to top part of radiator by a small hose. Check the coolant level by looking at the level marks given on the side of the reservoir. The coolant level must be between maximum and minimum level. If the coolant level is low or near minimum mark, add the recommended coolant to the reservoir until it reaches the maximum level. Do not fill above maximum level. This can result in overflow of coolant from reservoir in hot conditions. If there is no coolant in the reservoir, then first add the coolant to radiator and then to reservoir. Never open the radiator cap or the cap of pressurized coolant reservoir with engine in hot condition. Hot coolant may splash out, resulting in serious burn injuries. After adding coolant to radiator, add the coolant to the reservoir until it reaches the maximum level. Engine coolant leakage check. Engine cooling system is a closed system. Engine coolant level can decrease by some amount due to vaporization loss. Rapid decrease in level indicates leakage in system which needs diagnosis. Leakage in cooling system can be checked by pressurizing the system with the help of radiator cap pressure tester. Make sure that the engine is cool at the time of leakage check. Open radiator cap. Fit the gauge to the radiator. The gauge usually has an adapter that fits onto radiator. Pressurize the system by operating the plunger to the specified value usually mentioned on the radiator cap. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes. If the system fails to hold the pressure, check for the proper fitment of gauge. Create pressure again in the system and look for the signs of leaks at all joints of the system, hoses and radiator core. Repair or replace the affected part in case of leakage. Engine coolant replacement. Turn the engine off. Let the engine cool completely. Open the coolant reservoir cap safely. Drain the engine coolant reservoir into a suitable coolant container. Wash inside of reservoir with fresh coolant after draining. Open radiator cap. Put the vehicle on safety stands or lift it on two-post lift as needed. Place the appropriate container below drain plug or lower hose to collect the used coolant. Locate the drain plug on the lower tank of radiator. In case of no drain plug, locate the clamp connecting lower hose to radiator lower tank. Open the drain plug or disconnect the lower hose and allow the coolant to drain fully. Install the drain plug or lower hose to the radiator lower tank. Prepare mixture of antifreeze and water as per recommended ratio and coolant capacity of vehicle. Refill the coolant to the radiator until it is full. Fill the coolant slowly to allow the inside air escape fully. In case of pressurized coolant reservoir and no radiator cap, fill the coolant through reservoir. Install the radiator cap. Add the coolant to coolant reservoir up to the maximum level. Start the engine and allow it to reach at working temperature. Look for any signs of leakage from system, particularly from drain plug, lower hose connection and radiator cap. After leakage check, put the engine off and let the engine cool completely. Safely open the radiator cap and add the coolant to radiator if needed. Never open the radiator cap or the cap of pressurized coolant reservoir with engine in hot condition. Hot coolant may splash out, resulting in serious burn injuries. Check the coolant level in the coolant reservoir. Add coolant if needed to bring the level up to max mark. Start the engine again and let it reach its working temperature. Wait for the engine to cool down. Check coolant level in radiator as well as reservoir. Add coolant if needed. Remove fender covers and close the bonnet.